everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm going to share with you guys my recipe on Enchiladas Verdes. Here are my ingredients. We're going to need tortillas, chicken, tomatillos, jalapenos, onion, garlic, cilantro, salt, and Knorr-chicken chicken flavor. First, I'm going to show you guys how to make the sauce. If you guys know how to make the sauce, this is a key ingredient to making great enchiladas, and the rest is a piece of cake. So let me remove this out of the way. Here I have, this is a 2-quart pot, and I put 5 cups of water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my tomatillos. These tomatillos have been already peeled and washed. I'm going to show you guys in a quick minute. And then the same thing with my jalapenos. Well, let me add my garlic cloves. Okay, for the tomatillos, they come wrapped in this layer of skin. I don't know what it's called, but what we need to do, we need to remove this off the tomatillo. Make sure that you guys wash these properly. They are a little sticky, so that's the reason why I wash them. So this gets washed. The jalapenos, the same thing. Let's make sure that we wash them and remove the stem off of them. So once they're like this, nice and everything's out of the way, we're gonna put them on the stove top. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of the Knorr-chicken chicken flavor. And here I have 1 tablespoon of the salt. And this is how you make that salsa verde. I'm gonna put it to cook. This is going to be cooking on medium heat. So I'm going to let this cook, and then we'll come back and check on our chiles, okay? Our tomatillos and jalapenos are ready. They cook for 12 minutes, so if you could get in here a little bit closer. What you guys want your tomatillos to look like is they are going to be soft and almost mushy. See how the water's kind of gushing out of it? And the same thing for the jalapenos. They're also very soft. So I'm going to take this over to my blender, and we're going to make our sauce. Be careful when adding this to the blender because this is going to be pretty hot. So I like adding the water first. And then the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna add my piece of onion and the cilantro. The cilantros come in bunches, and you guys don't need the whole bunch, maybe less than half. Just break it in half, make sure that you guys wash it. And then we're gonna blend it very fast. You know what, sometimes another thing, if you guys see what the type of sauce that we're trying to make is more like a dense sauce. You don't want it to be too runny. So before I blend it, I'm gonna check if it's, sometimes what I do, I drain some of the water. I rather make it a little dense before I start and then add a little bit of water later if I need it. So I feel like I don't need this much water. Remember, I had 5 cups of water in that pot. So I'm just gonna take out maybe half a cup. I'd rather add more than to have it be very runny. Okay, that looks better. I'm gonna taste it to see if it's okay with the salt I already added. Tastes pretty good. Okay, this way. We're gonna use the same cooking pot that we use to boil our chiles and tomatillos. The same heat, medium heat. And I'm gonna do, this is some cooking oil. This is 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm gonna let this come to, I'm gonna heat it up. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my sauce to the oil, and then I'm gonna bring it to a boil. but I need to wait for this to heat up. We'll be right back. I'm gonna add my sauce into the oil. So it's pretty hot. I'm gonna let this cook and it's gonna come to a boil. While that's cooking, I'm gonna turn up my frying pan. Once we have this ready, we're gonna be able to do the tortillas, and I'm gonna let this heat up and then we'll come back with our sauce came to a boil. This took 5 minutes. Boiling the sauce makes it thick, and that's what we want when we're making our green enchiladas. I'm gonna turn this off and we're gonna work on the tortillas. Be ready with the plate, with the piece of paper towel. This is gonna help catch the excess oil. And for the oil, you want the bottom of the frying pan to be covered, so about 1/2 inch. We want it when we're running the tortillas through the oil. You want it to be able to be on top and the bottom. So here it goes. And this is gonna be a very quick cook. You don't want the tortillas to become crispy because you want to be able to fold them. That's enough to warm them up. Now that we have our sauce, I'm going to do the same process as the oil, except that I'm going to be dipping them in sauce. I'm going to, you could either use your hands or your spatula, I'm sorry. I normally use my hands, I'm just going to do it that way. Top and bottom. Make sure that both sides get enough sauce. And when we're done, we're gonna add more sauce to this. Okay, this way. So earlier today, I cooked 2 chicken breasts. So these are cooked and shredded. I'm gonna put them inside my tortilla. You could always add more. Some people, they like adding more on top of the tortilla once it's ready. I'm gonna go back and get more sauce. This smells very good. Tomatillo, la jalapeno, everything. Just I'm gonna put some queso fresco. I'm gonna put some onion. And I'm gonna put some crema mexicana. Look at that. This is delicious. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys try it at home. If you guys try it at home, let me know how you guys like it. If you guys have any further questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so you could be part of the Modern Mom Ali family. Keep your notifications on. I'm going to put more recipes this week. I will see you guys very soon. Stay safe, and I'm going to enjoy some enchiladas. And let me cut some here. Can't wait to have some. Provecho!